Okay, you have the Grizzly G4062, which means it's got an 8-inch swing or 16-inch swing. All right, that's the center of that right there. That's 8 inches. So I wouldn't swing a full 16 inches. All right, 8 inches. And then in between them, you have 46 inches. I gotta get it hooked on there. Hold on. There you go. All right. Now, it had light rust on it, just a real light coat. So I took some Rust-Oleum gel and put on it, and then I just wiped it down. It only took me 30 minutes. That thing looks brand new. Yeah, it sure does. Now, it's got the variable speed. Of course, you got this. There's a little speckling here and here on these things. A little speckling here, not much. A little there, but the bed's been completely clean. And you want to clean it, that's up to you. It's ready to work. Alright, I'm showing 600 right there. Exactly 600. I know it's fluctuating with my camera, but it's not. It's actually one time that you just pull out on it and turn it. You don't do it while it's off. 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 2000, 2100, 22, 23, 24. It'll go up to 28, 2900. No problem. Right now it's at 2670, 50. And you just stop it and hold it and push it back in so it'll hold. So I'm at 2920 now. Okay. So right back at it. 2920. Okay. Don't do this when the machine's off. It's got a sort of like a go-kart clutch, like that. It moves it. So I just pull it all the way out. There you go. Now we're down to about 1200. But there's a little light rust speckling on these little things right here. A little around there. A little on the cover here. Not enough to worry about. This, unlocked, well, let me move it. Hold on. Okay. Now, this button right here, it's got a turret underneath it, which I took pictures of it and showed it to you. You pull that. I can't do it with my hand. Pull there. Hold on. There. And you can turn it and it click back in. There's a spot here. There's a spot right here. There's a spot there, and there's a spot there, and a spot on the other side, which you could actually take the turret and spin it around so that you can stand out here and work at angles over here. But you're gonna have to get a different banjo, okay? And before you operate it, make sure you lock that thing down. All right. The banjo, she's got speckling on it, but look, she's still like brand new. A little cleaning, that's all it needs, and it'll come out just like that. I'll show you the stuff. The M2 center, there you go. It operates. There you go, that's a live center, okay. Lock that down, it'll slide all the way up there and slide back. No, you don't get my drill. That goes to my Chinese. I got a Chinese thing in there. But it's off. I try. You gotta fuck with it. All right. Well, I came out here this morning. I went and got it out of storage. Brought it here, and I set it right here on the back of the truck. And that's what I used, and it works. That a 200 grit and a 100 grit just to get this rust off. It didn't take me 30 minutes. Boom, I was done. Well, there you go, guys. This actually turned into a very long video, but I'm extremely proud of it. I got pictures of it where I did underneath the ways. I did the inside of the ways and everything, and it's coated. It looks like it's got a yellowish tint to it, but everybody I seen use that stuff, everything they had turned black. And when this thing started shining, I was like, oh yeah, I like that. But you could do it again. I mean, you really want it to look good. And there's no sanding with a machine or anything. That's all handwork. And this is a 2 horsepower, single phase, 110 volt, class B, or B. Amps is 60 amps, 14 hertz, and RPMs is 1725. All right, but this variable thing, it opens and closes like this. All right, and that belt rides up and down that pulley. This is a pretty awesome little dude right here. If I don't sell it and I keep it, I'm gonna automate it. All right, now I'm gonna tell you about this thing.